Hey guys, so I'm here with the misconception quick response. The student's work is mostly correct. I think they forgot one piece though. They showed that if you set the exponent x squared minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0 and solve for x, and you find that x can be 4 or x can be 5. This is because they know that when the exponent is 0, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. But what they didn't check, so they got that part where the exponent is equal to 0, and they checked their answer, and it was good. What they didn't get, though, is if x squared minus 5x plus 5 is equal to 1, because any 1 raised to any power is also going to be equal to 1. So that can also work. So if you factor this one out, you get x minus 4. Oh, yeah, you'll get x minus 4, x minus 1. As you subtract 1, it's x minus 5x plus 4. So you know that x can equal 4 or x can equal 1. Then I would want to see that we know x equals 4 works because that came up in the first solving the exponent for 0. Now we can check if x equals 1 would satisfy. So we'd have x, so we'd put 1 in for x, so we'd have 1 minus 5 plus 5 and then the exponent. Then you'd have 1 minus 9 plus 20 is equal to 1, right? All right, so we have 1 minus 5 is negative 4 plus 5 is 1. So that's good. Doesn't really matter what this exponent up top is anymore. 1 minus 9. Actually, that does have to be positive. No, it still would work. Anyway, it's always going to equal 1. So we'd have 1 minus 9 is negative 8 plus 20. Get 12. And that's equal to 1. So check that. X can also equal 1. The student found x equals 4 and x equals 5, which is true. But they forgot to find that x could also equal 1.